Are you still looking for ways to make money online? Well, apparently you're not alone. When it comes to financial freedom, or even just a way of supplementing your current income, you need to take a structured approach, and most importantly, you need to take action now. I'm here to help you do that, so keep watching and I'll take you step by step and show you how you can use print on demand. Hi there, I'm Paul Raven, and on this channel I share information on everything lifestyle related, including health, fitness and personal growth, to financial freedom, perspectives and experiences across a range of topics to help you realise a better lifestyle for yourself and for those around you. If you're new here, then hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can stay up to date with each new video as and when it drops. Today I'll be taking you through how you can use print-on-demand services such as RedBubble to earn not just extra income but passive income, you know, the stuff that provides you with earning potential 24/7 day or night without the need to be present. If you have not checked out my previous video on how you can use Fiverr to earn additional money online, then look out for the video pop up at the end. Also, stick around to the end where I'll be sharing a huge tip on one of my favourite ways of using Fiverr to help make some sales on RedBubble. It's a no-brainer. Let's jump on in and get started. Okay, to get started, what I'm going to need you to do is to go over to redbubble.com. Once you land on redbubble.com, look over in the top right hand corner for the sign up. Go over and hit upon sign up, and then it's going to bring you to this page. Here you're going to want to select the artist sign up, input the basic information, email address, shop name, password. Then once you're ready, go ahead and hit sign up. Once you've hit sign up, it's going to bring you through then to a page like this. This is your dashboard. So here you've got an opportunity to start going through and setting up your shop and putting in some additional details to ensure that you get paid. So before we go into adding any designs, we're just going to jump back over to the main page and give you a little bit of an indication as to what we can do for the buyers on RedBubble and what RedBubble can do for us as potential sellers and creators of new content. So just landed back onto the main page of RedBubble. So here, just off the bat, you can see that RedBubble caters for a multitude of different items. We can see it over here, we have socks, we have prints, jumpers, cups, just to name but a few things. Up here we have a variety of different accessories, home and living accessories, arts, different mediums of art ranging from canvases to framed prints, posters, various phone case designs, stickers and clothing and garments. So you're probably thinking to yourself, Paul, this is all well and great, but how do I make money from this? Well, here's the best bit. You do not have to have a spare room full of clothing, full of cups, full of canvases or prints, because this is print on demand. When somebody goes onto your store and they buy a garment such as this jumper and that's got your design on it, the company will print your design onto a garment and send it out to the buyer, and you take a small cut or a percentage of the final fee, of the buying fee. So you're not having to sit on dead stock, you're not having to sit on items that aren't selling. All you're doing is creating a design and uploading it onto the templates. So how are we going to create a design? So that's the next question we have in mind. What we're going to do is we're going to jump over to a website called CANVA, and that's where we're going to create our designs. What we'll do, we'll create a simple design, we'll download that design and we'll bring it back over here into RedBubble where we'll upload it. So now we're over here in Canva. Canva.com is free. There's a variety of different tools on here. It's very simple to use. You can make it as difficult or as easy as you like. The free version is completely fine. It's excellent. You can have a paid for version. I've got different plans and pricing. Free is completely fine for me. So what we're going to do is go to create a design. We're going to have a custom size. We'll just run with that at the minute. Width 5000 by 5000 pixels. So in the description box below, I'm going to put a link to different template pixel sizes, so you can click on that and you'll have access to what the best resolutions and pixel sizes will be for, for example, iPhone cases or for t-shirts or for jumpers. So I'll put that information down in the description box below, so you don't have any trouble finding that on the RedBubble site. So we're going to create a new design, 5000 by 5000 pixels. So here we've got our canvas, and what we can do here is we can look for our elements. So we can use text, and we can type in text. We can pick these different types of text. We can click elements. So what we're going to do here is we can type in hi or hello. That'll do. That looks excellent. We'll take that cat. Perfect. Have some of that. Quite an animated, anime, Japanesey style cat. Looks quite cool. Let's then, okay, we'll go with the Japanese theme. Japanese. There we go. We'll have some of that as well. We've got a mountain, like a Mount Fuji sort of thing. Love a bit of that. We'll send that to the back. Right click it, send to the back. And we've got some cherry blossoms there. There we go. We'll just shrink that down a bit. We'll drag that out there. We'll shrink the cat down. All we're going to do now is we're going to download that. So we go up to share at the top right hand corner. And what we're going to do here is hit download. I'm going to download this as a JPEG. And you can click download, and that's going to save to the designated folder on your computer. Okay, so now we're back in RedBubble. Let's go on over and let's click on Add Designs. And what we're going to do here is we're going to click Upload New Artwork. Okay, so here we've just uploaded that piece of artwork that we developed over in CANVA. It took us no more than 90 seconds to create. Here we can add in our title, our tags and our description. If we scroll down, we can now start looking at the different articles, items and accessories that we can apply it to. You can disable or enable them if they're going to go on there. So that's very easy. So let's have a look here. Let's go with something quite simple. Let's have a look at this pillow or tote. So let's click edit. So all of the items that have enabled clicked on, this will go on to my store, enabled, ready for people, ready for buyers to purchase. So I've clicked on pillows and totes. We can center vertically and center horizontally. We can click on, and we can also scale our image, which is really simple. And then we can click center vertically, center horizontally, and that's going to center that image. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. If we look up here, we can actually see it in real time changing. So at the top right hand corner of the screen, we can actually see the size of the image change. That there looks very good. Perfect. Of course, for t-shirts and things, depending on the background colour, you're going to want to marry up the background colour of the image with, you know, the background colours of the garments, etc. For example, the hat is going to want to reflect the same background colour. You can use other software and remove the backgrounds, so you end up with a complete background free image. So you're then just applying a PNG file backgroundless to these different articles, garments and items. But I'm going to leave that to another video. Here the design is on. We've got that ready to rock and roll. Apply changes. I'm happy with that. You can go for each one of these, and you can apply and edit and disable and tinker around with these to your heart's content, and then these will reflect then in your store, in your shop. So we're going to give it a title. We're going to have a hello from Japan cat. Tags, hello cat Japan Fuji Neko. Right, so we've got a variety of different tags there, and then we can add in a description. Something very simple, whatever it may be. You could add in some other details in there, of course, make it nice and rich. We can then add the media, so photography, design, illustration, drawing, digital art. Well, here we have got design and illustration here. We have got some digital art, I would argue. Optimize default product in your shop. I'd leave that as optimized recommended. Is this mature content? No. Who can view this work? Anybody in the public? Yes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead, save the work. Excellent. So now here it says congratulations, you're almost ready to sell. only you can view your purchaser's design. Complete your payment details to open your shop. Of course, make sure that you put in your payment details so you can rock and roll them with getting purchases through. So here, hello from Japan, we can see the different articles and garments and so forth, what this design is added to. Now, of course, this isn't perfect because it's only halfway up the iPad snap case, so you'd want to go in and edit this so it fills the whole case. We can go over here, we can click account, and we can click account settings. Of course, once we're in account settings here, we can look at doing things like looking at choosing your image for your avatar. We can look at a cover image, adding in your profile details. So this is in the management portfolio section. So if you hit the avatar at the top right, we can then go to manage portfolio and it'll bring you through to this screen. You can add new artwork in from here. Also, you can see if anyone has put comments on the item. They may have added a comment, they may have made a purchase, and also they may have liked or favorited your item. Let me share one of my most favourite ways of using Fiverr in building my RedBubble store. Find artists on Fiverr to create a pack of designs for you that are ready to be uploaded. You can then use these to cut down on time, upload those onto your RedBubble store, implement them on the different articles, garments, phone cases, pillowcases, whatever it may be, and then you're ready, you're good to go. By doing this, you're investing a little bit of capital up front and a little bit of time on the artist's time of developing these, and then you're good to go. If you found any value in this video today, any value whatsoever, please like, subscribe, put some comments down there in the comments section, let me know what you thought of the video, and if you haven't already, go ahead, go check out the video that I produced on Fiverr and how you can use Fiverr.com in creating an income stream for yourself. Until next time, take care of yourselves.